Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete or uninstall Microsoft Edge from your device. So in order to do that, go ahead and launch your web browser or the Microsoft Store. Go to the search bar and search for Wise Uninstaller. Select this program right here, which is indicating Wise Program Uninstaller. Select Install. Wait for a few minutes for it to install on your device and launch it. Give administrative privileges. Then select Open to launch it. From this page, select Desktop Apps from the left-hand side of the screen under All Programs. And here, use the search bar and search for Edge. Once you find Microsoft Edge, check this box beside it and then select Uninstall, which is highlighted in green color in the top right corner, and select Uninstall again to confirm, and you'll be done. Then after, go to Internet Explorer. You'll get two different files over here. Check those boxes and then select Uninstall in the top right and select Uninstall again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.